Today I will show you how you can remotely control a slider on a website and read out its value. In order not to worry about the complete initialization of the Chromedriver and the setup every time, we use the result from the perfect Chromedriver initialization video that is already in my channel as a starting point for this video. I have linked it in the description. So if you are still looking for a perfect way to initialize Selenium WebDriver and want to have a start point with which you can automate any website, please check the video. If you are only interested in automating the slider, sit back and enjoy the show. For today's automation, we will first make a small change to the layout of our automation layout. Just 2 buttons, a text box and a label, that's all. We use the simplest way to control the slider. We determine the control via the identifier on the web page, then we click on it to give it the focus, and then we use the left and right buttons to move the slider. To make it even easier, we create our own method for this, which we can then use in both event handlers of our buttons. But see for yourself. The first step is, as almost always, to load the desired element into a variable in order to be able to operate it in the code. In this case, the slider. There are always different ways to do this, and it is not always easy to find the right identifier. As always, we open the Chrome DevTools with a right click and via inspect. Alternatively, F12 is also possible here. We can then set the focus on the desired element and check whether there is a unique identifier for it. Since there is nothing really to be found in this case, we copy the CSS selector. If this doesn't work, you can also try others like XPath. In principle, it doesn't matter what you use, the main thing is that you get access to the control. Now that we have access to the desired control, we can control it according to the desired direction. To do this, we simply use send keys to transmit the desired key. To fill our text box with the value of the web element after each command, we use another line of code as the return value for our method. As a final step, we use our created method and our two buttons to execute our automation for the slider. Before we can test it, we quickly adapt the website in our tool. We always use the page that we want to automate for this. In this case, the page with the slider. Then we need to assign the current slider value to our text box, and that's it. And that's it for today. So you can see how easy it is to control a when control, in this case a slider, and read out its value. You are welcome to try out other controls with the help of my automation layout. This allows you to load any website quickly and easily, and you can see directly from the green traffic light when the website is fully loaded, and you can start your test. For further ideas or comments, please use the comments. I have been working as a professional automation expert for years, and I am sure I can help you. The most important thing is always have fun and be interested.